have this airbag module from Volkswagen, and someone played with it a little bit. I don't know what was the purpose of this job, but let's see what we've got there. So looks like a broken trace and a bridge between two pins. Let's get rid of that and let's solder again those pins. Let's grind that mask from that broken trace with the pen grinder. And looks like that capacitor has a broken pin. Let's replace it with another capacitor from the same board. Those are microscopic components, so under the microscope they look bigger, but in reality they are very, very small. Now we're gonna run a wire between that trace and that capacitor. And it's done. It's soldered very good, and I want to apply UV mask. The purpose of the UV mask is just for protecting, is not necessary, but I like to do that. applying UV light to harden the solder mask, and a little bit of hot air, and the job is done.